Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to combine data from multiple sheets in Excel. This is very useful when you have the same type of data spread across different sheets and you want to bring it together into a single place for analysis. Let's say we have three sheets named Jan, Feb and March. Each sheet contains the same kind of data, salesperson and sales amount. Our goal is to combine them into one sheet called all data. Method 1. Manual copy paste. Go to the Jan sheet, select the data, copy it and paste it into the all data sheet. Leave one blank row, then copy the data for the Feb sheet and paste it below. Do the same with the March sheet. This method works, but it's time consuming if you have many sheets. Method 2. Use Power Query. Now let's see the professional way using Power Query. Go to the Data tab, click Get Data from Other Sources, blank query. In the formula bar, type equals excel.current workbook, open parentheses and close parentheses. Press enter. This shows all tables and sheet ranges in your file. Select the sheets you want like Jan, Feb, March. Click Combine. Excel will merge them into one table. Finally, load the result into a new sheet called All Data. The best part is if you add new data to any of the sheets. You just refresh Power Query and the combined sheet updates automatically. And that's it. These are two easy methods to combine data from multiple sheets in Excel. The first one is simple copy paste, but the second one with Power Query is faster and more professional. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more Excel tutorials. Thanks for watching.